Okay, in the first video we went over a few things that explained the details to some degree of what the tags are and the application that you will be using in this class. As your second video, we will go through the more specifics of what a code tag looks like, what makes it open and close, how it has an influence on your web page itself, and so forth. So if you want to follow along, go ahead and open up Sublime. First of all, as we mentioned in the first video, you have to specify what document type this is going to be, with an open or less than sign, open angle bracket, as I call it, exclamation mark, DOCTYPE, excuse me, HTML, and then a greater than sign. You go ahead and you can put in that this is HTML. Go to Save As, and then let's just call this Practice -2.html. By saving it with .html, notice the colors that came in here. Head just happens to be the next one. So when I just press enter, that's what I get. I get the beginning and the ending. In between the head tags, and these are referred to as tags, we want to put in our title. So I can just press enter. Right there I have the title. So I'll say this is, or just let's call it second practice page of HTML. Okay, then after the head tag is closed, the slash here means that it's closed, and in the title, notice title, there's no slash, that's the opening, and to identify that it's closed, there's slash title. And then my cursor is already indented some, so let's go ahead and, as in the first video I mentioned, the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag just means that this is where you're going to write a paragraph. Unlike Microsoft Word or other processing applications, an indentation or spaces only count as one. So if I do this many spaces in between words, that doesn't matter. It'll only count as one. There are other ways to create spaces and so forth. So let's just call this one, this is my second practice page of using HTML. I am not sure if I am going to learn all I want, but I certainly will try. Okay, that should be enough. And a P, and then close. Paragraph. So my paragraph is closed. What I want to introduce to you now is something that you can put above the paragraph. Let's say that you don't want just simple size 10 fonts, which is about what paragraph tags will give you. Let's say you want a header. So we have 6 headers that come with HTML5. H1, which is pretty large. And let's just say second web page. That should be enough. And H1. The reason I want you to go through this is because I want you to go through the practice of opening and closing and just some exposure to different tags. And the more practice you get, the more normal this will become to you. Now we want to just close it. In order to close it, we have to close something that we opened earlier, which is the body. The body opening here says all the content that we want to display in the body of the page will be in between the two body tags. And then we open up something way up here saying HTML. And then we close that here. And we are done. So let's go ahead and save this. We've already named it, so let's save it. Then go to my desktop and I see something called page.html. Well, let's check it out. Let's open it with that. But there it is. Okay. As you can see, the header, second web page, is about what I said. It's about a size 16 or 18 font, and about a 10 or 11 is what you have here. That's what you would get with all that code. As the semester goes, you will do more, you will learn more code, and it will become more familiar, and you'll be able to do a lot of other things. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and make sure that you do the second one and you turn it in by uploading the HTML file to Moodle into the appropriate folder. Thank you.